Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Claire here with Destined Creativity. So this being a Mother's Day weekend, I just really want to wish all the moms a happy Mother's Day. I know it's not easy, but you are heroes and we love you. So today I just want to show you how I transformed my old wall clock to this. I love the new look. If you're interested, just keep watching. And if this is your first time here, I really welcome you. Just please don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload. Thank you so much and let's have some fun. I'm starting out by cutting these two shapes. One is bigger than the other. You can use any box to get these templates. Just follow my simple steps. And also to draw the circles, you can use any round object or you can use a compass. All these shapes are going to be covered in aluminium foil. I made it creased and then I just wrapped it around the small shapes, the petals. Now I need 32 for the small and 32 for the big as well. This next step is to work on the rods. The long one is 12 inches long and the short one is 8 inches long. All I did was to cover it up with Podge and then put silver glitter. Put 2 layers and then the final layer of Podge to seal the glitter. So in total, we are going to use 32 for the long and 32 for the short rods as well. So this is the old clock that I'm transforming. It has a few damages, as you can see, but I tried to seal them up and I'll cover that later on. So I'm going to attach the rods right there, but that part was a little bit inwards. So I had to put cardboard to level it up so I am able to attach the rods onto that cardboard. So I drew out lines on the cardboard to help me space these rods evenly and make work easier. And also I used hot glue to attach the rods onto the cardboard. So I started with the long ones and then the short ones will come at the end. After attaching all the long ones, the next step is to attach the short sticks. This is how it will look like. The sun rays is beautiful. So what we need to do is to attach the petals onto the sticks using the hot glue. The big petals will go on the long ones and the small petals will go on the short rods. This is how it looks like when all have been attached. It's already beautiful, but I will use crushed mirror glass and Podge for the frame of the clock. After the first layer dried, I then applied again Podge to apply a second layer just to cover up the few spaces, and then you seal it up with Podge so that the glass doesn't fall off. For the final step, I decided to add adhesive gemstones, though I also added extra glue so that they are more strongly attached onto the rod. And this is how it looks like on the wall. I literally just used a pin because it already has its own hanging hook. But this is how it looks. I really love it on my wall. If you did love it as well, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I have other videos as well in my description box. Please check them out. Thank you so much. As always, please keep safe. See you next time. Bye.